click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is andiord and Christian. In this video I will talk about the Galaxy A series 2018. So let's watch. So friends, the Galaxy A7 2018, which was spotted many times on Geekbench, in which it was running Android Pie, and also in my last videos I have already told that Samsung will soon roll out the Android Pie update for these devices. So friends, this has become true. The Galaxy A7 2018 is now getting Android Pie beta update. This is first time in history that a mid-range device of Samsung is getting beta testing program. To get the update, steps are same as in Galaxy S9. Simply download Samsung member app and register your device. The update size is about 1322 MB and comes with brand new One UI. The update is available worldwide. It doesn't matter from which country you are. Samsung might release the beta testing for more devices in future. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video. So subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.